This is a two-in-one method of how to make coconut oil at home, both the cold press and the hot press. And guess what, guys? I made the cold press coconut without the use of refrigerator. So if you've ever wondered how to make cold press coconut oil and you don't have a refrigerator at home, this is the video for you. Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. So today we're going to be making cold press and hot press coconut oil using just one coconut. Isn't that interesting? So you guys, I've always said in my videos that my favorite method of blending my coconut is hand grating because the result is always massive, right? But if you're not comfortable with this method, you can go ahead to blend it or take it to the industrial machine and grind it. So I would like to also answer a few questions I got from my previous videos, like for how long am I supposed to leave my coconut milk in the plastic? For me, I like to leave mine overnight for proper fermentation. But if you notice that your coconut cod are separated from the water, you can proceed to the next one. Someone else asked me, did you add water to boil your coconut cod? Of course, no. Why will you separate water from the cod and go ahead to add water to boil it again? Someone else asked me, what is coconut oil used for? I was not supposed to answer this because you have Google, right? You can make use of coconut oil to cook. You can use it as your hair oil. You can use it as your body lotion. You can use it for so many things. It even has a health benefit, right? So I've gone ahead to put my coconut milk inside this plastic, and of course I'm going to leave it overnight. This is the next day, and you can see that the coconut cod are separated from the water, and this is what we have here. I went ahead to use my pin to puncture it just to separate the water from the cod. So this is what we have here, the coconut cod, and I went ahead to just place this inside my plate. You guys, I made the cold pressed coconut oil without the use of refrigerator, but for those who say coconut cod is whitish in color, yours is not. I went ahead to put it in the refrigerator so it can turn white. For the cold press method, guys, I'm going to be making use of the daylight, which is the sun, and this is me just leaving it under the sun and going to check on it. Although on this very day the sun was not scorchy, I took it inside and you can see that we're already having the oil just with the little sun we got. Guys, I wanted to conclude with this video on this particular day, so I went ahead to put water on fire, left it to boil, placed my coconut cod inside of it, and after 30 minutes this is what we have. And I'm just going to be making use of my cheesecloth and using my spoon to separate the coconut oil from the coconut cod. We still have a little bit of water inside this plate, and we have coconut cod which contains a lot of coconut oil inside of it. So this is our cold pressed coconut oil, and this is the remaining cod that still contains a lot of coconut oil. I went ahead and boiled it, and this is our hot pressed coconut oil. I made the cold pressed coconut oil without the use of refrigerator. I just went ahead to put it inside the fridge after production just to give that whitish